Hi, my name is Kristen. I work for Daly City Recreation, and today we're going to be making an acorn handprint craft. So the supplies you'll be needing are a white, dark brown, and light brown piece of construction paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. So the first thing you want to do is trace your hand on the light brown piece of construction paper 2 times and cut them out. So now that you have your 2 handprints cut out, you're going to glue them onto your white piece of construction paper upside down. After that, you're going to take your dark brown piece of construction paper, draw 2 acorn stems, and cut them out. So now that you cut out your stems, you're going to go ahead and paste them to the top of your handprints. So I hope you enjoyed making this craft, and I'll see you next time.